The book of Chuang-Tzu was written by Chuang-Tzu around 4th century. The main message of the book is the best life is one that is accord with the unseen universal order or Tao. Do not be subjects to labels. Do not be full of schemes. Do not assume you are in charge of affairs. Do not be subject to knowledge. Comprehend the infinite and roam in the traceless. The story implies that we should forget thinking of ourselves as a mighty river and remember that we are more like a drop in the ocean. Most people's idea of happiness is pursuing things they desire, and in doing so, they are in a constant state of action with their minds on the future and abstract thing. They forget to take care of their body. The great person does not make a show of giving and does not seek to strive for gain. They do not look down on people who serve them, nor make anything of the fact that they do not. Although self-reliant, they do not condemn the greedy or the mean. They are selfless, not in a saintly way, but in the sense that their life does not make waves. In contrast, the person who is protective of their reputation or wants to be famous or rich does make waves. This requires total humility, being empty and plain. A person with this quality does not want power and is not interested in criticism, and as a consequence is not criticized themselves. Why would I want to rule a country? He had a simple life of working his farm and enjoying the changing seasons. He could see no point in power or honors. Once someone had them, they spent all their time trying to cling to them, which was no life. They have a wisdom that comes from awareness of totality of life beyond the knowledge of a scholar. However, what makes this work timeless is Chuang's brilliant insight into the human condition. For instance, in our time people are concerned with life purpose, but Chuang invites us to consider that instead of actually seeing fulfillment, it is better to cultivate emptiness of mind through contemplation and meditation so that we can see the world more clearly. The book of the author is a work to keep with you over a lifetime, to be consulted when you are in need of guidance or enlightenment.